Did you know that checking your Tesla app too often can drain your battery life faster than you think? And did you know that using superchargers too frequently can really reduce your battery's lifespan? These tips are easy to follow and can save you a lot of money in the long run. This is how you can make your Tesla battery last longer. Your Tesla starts with a 300-mile range, but it could drop to just 200 miles in a few years if you don't take care of it. And guess what? The only fix is a pricey battery replacement. First up, don't charge your battery all the way. Why shouldn't you charge your Tesla battery to 100%? It's simple. Keeping your battery between 20 to 80% is the sweet spot for longevity. Charging beyond this range can actually shorten your battery's life. Think about it like your smartphone battery. Keeping it in the middle range helps it last longer. Both the high and low extremes stress the battery cells and speed up wear and tear. Want to know more about why this happens? The battery cells experience more stress at the extreme ends, which accelerates their degradation. So, sticking to that optimal range can really pay off in the long run. Next, avoid draining your battery completely and the use of superchargers. Ever wondered what happens if you let your Tesla battery hit 0%? It's not good news. Draining your battery completely can harm it, especially if it stays at 0% for a long time. Did you know this can also kill the 12-volt battery that powers smaller electronics in your car? If the main battery dies, the 12-volt battery will soon follow, making it impossible to get into the car without replacing the battery. So why should you keep some charge in your battery? Keeping a charge prevents irreversible damage to the battery pack, which can be very costly to repair. Why shouldn't you rely on superchargers too often? While they are incredibly convenient for quick charges, they can heat up your battery and reduce its lifespan if used too often. How often should you use superchargers then? Ideally, limit your trips to the supercharger to about 4 or 5 times per month. Why is this important? The high-speed charging offered by superchargers causes the battery to get hot, which isn't ideal for its long-term health. Using slower charging methods at home is much better for your battery's longevity. Did you know that charging your Tesla too quickly or too slowly can harm your battery? What's the best way to charge it then? Using a 220-volt wall outlet or a destination charger provides the perfect balance. Have you considered installing a 220-volt outlet at home? Charging in your garage at this level keeps your battery healthy and maintains its longevity. It's all about finding that sweet spot for charging speed to protect your investment. And you should also charge on a schedule. Why should you set a charging schedule for your Tesla? If you need a full 100% charge for a road trip, timing is everything. Scheduling the charge to complete just before you leave prevents the battery from sitting at full capacity for too long. How can you manage this? Use the scheduling feature in the Tesla app or the car's touchscreen. This way, your battery stays at 100% only for a short period, reducing stress on the cells and keeping it healthier. You'll also have to make sure to turn off Sentry Mode and cabin overheat protection. Have you ever thought about how much power Sentry Mode and cabin overheat protection consume? These features are great for security and comfort, but can drain your battery when left on for extended periods. Why should you turn them off when parking for a long time? It helps conserve energy and keeps your battery in better shape. Turning off these features reduces unnecessary power consumption, ensuring your Tesla stays charged and ready to go when you need it. Next, avoid extreme temperatures and use aero wheel covers. Have you ever thought about how extreme temperatures affect your Tesla battery? Hot or cold weather isn't great for it. Why should you care? Even though your Tesla has automated systems to manage battery temperature, these systems use energy that could be going towards your driving range. What can you do to help? Try parking in the shade during hot weather and in a garage when it's cold. This minimizes the strain on your battery and helps maintain its health. Did you know that using aero wheel covers can boost your Tesla's range by up to 10%? Why should you use them, especially on long trips? These covers improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and allowing your car to travel further on the same amount of energy. Even if they're not the most stylish accessory, the efficiency gains are definitely worth it. So snap those covers on and enjoy the extra miles. What steps do you take to ensure your battery lasts longer? Let us know in the comments below. You should drive slower on the highway and accelerate slowly from a standstill. Ever wondered how your speed affects your Tesla's range? Driving at higher speeds can significantly reduce efficiency. Why should you slow down a bit on the highway? Maintaining a steady, moderate speed helps you get more miles out of your battery. Higher speeds require more energy to overcome air resistance, which drains your battery faster. So if you want to maximize your range, take it easy on the accelerator. Love that rapid acceleration in your Tesla? Who doesn't? But did you know that constantly flooring it can drain your battery quickly? What's the better approach? Try accelerating smoothly from a stop instead. This simple habit helps preserve your battery life and improves your overall range. Why does this matter? Rapid acceleration draws a lot of energy from the battery, reducing its efficiency and longevity. So take it easy on the pedal for a longer-lasting battery. Also, not many people know this, but it's actually best to minimize app usage and precondition your Tesla. Do you often check the Tesla app? It's tempting, but did you know it can drain your battery? Every time you open the app, the car wakes up, using power that could be saved. So try to check in only when necessary to keep your battery healthier. Ever wondered how to avoid range loss in cold weather? Preconditioning is the key. Using the preconditioning feature in the app or the car's touchscreen warms up the battery while it's still plugged in. This ensures your battery is at the optimal temperature before you start driving, making charging faster and more efficient. Especially during winter, this step is crucial for maintaining your range. You should also limit heater use and check tire pressure often. Did you know the heater in your Tesla uses a lot of energy? Instead of blasting it, what's a more efficient way to stay warm? Use the heated seats and steering wheel. These features consume less power and help maximize your range during colder months. Do you regularly check your tire pressure? It might seem minor, but it's crucial. Why is this important? Properly inflated tires reduce rolling resistance, which improves efficiency and extends your range. Especially in colder temperatures, tire pressures can drop, making this even more essential. Keeping your tires at the recommended levels helps your Tesla use less energy to move, giving you more miles per charge. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla tips and tricks. Next, you should watch your driving habits and stay up to date on software updates. Ever thought about how your driving style affects your Tesla's battery? Frequent stop-and-go driving, high speeds, and uphill driving put a lot of strain on the battery. How can you improve this? Try to drive smoothly and use regenerative braking to recover energy. Monitoring your driving habits can help you get more out of your battery, so aim for a relaxed driving style to maximize your range. Are you keeping your Tesla software up to date? Tesla frequently releases updates that improve efficiency and range. Why should you care? These updates often include optimizations for battery management and performance improvements. Make sure your car is always connected to a stable Wi-Fi to download these updates. Staying current with software updates helps extend your range and enhances your car's performance. Next, you can make use of the energy graph and utilize regenerative braking. Have you explored the energy consumption graph in the Tesla app? It's a fantastic tool to monitor your driving efficiency. How does it help? The app shows the estimated range based on your recent driving patterns. Use this real-time feedback to understand how your habits impact your range and make adjustments. The Energy app lets you see what you're doing right and where you can improve to boost efficiency. Ever tried one-pedal driving? It's one of the best ways to conserve energy in your Tesla. It allows you to drive using just the accelerator pedal, saving wear on the brake pads and recovering energy back into the battery. Practicing this can significantly extend your range by capturing energy that would otherwise be lost during braking. Also, make sure to reduce aerodynamic drag and avoid frequent short trips. Do you know how to make your Tesla more aerodynamic? Removing roof racks or rear racks when not in use can reduce drag. Why does this matter? Reducing drag helps your car travel further on the same amount of energy. If your Tesla has adjustable ride height, set it to low or very low at highway speeds. These small changes can make a big difference in efficiency. Did you know frequent short trips can reduce your battery's efficiency? Why is this the case? Your Tesla uses a lot of energy to reach its operating temperature. Combining short trips into longer ones whenever possible helps maintain a stable battery temperature and reduces the energy spent on frequent heating or cooling cycles. This simple habit can help you get more miles out of each charge. Have you tried using Eco Mode on your Tesla? Many models come with this feature designed to optimize various car systems for better efficiency. What does Eco Mode do? It adjusts things like acceleration and climate control to reduce energy consumption, helping you get more range out of your battery. By using Eco Mode, you can extend your driving range without sacrificing too much performance. Finally, do you regularly service your Tesla? Regular maintenance checks are essential to identify any issues that might affect your Tesla's battery health. Why is this important? Tesla service centers can run diagnostics to ensure everything is running smoothly and efficiently. Catching potential problems early through regular servicing helps keep your battery in good condition and extends its lifespan. If you liked watching this video, make sure to click on the next one for Stop Killing Your Tesla Battery: How to Charge Your EV the Right Way.